Hi, I'm Tim, I'm an osteopath and I've been practicing for over 20 years. So a question I often get asked is what is the best back support for arthritis? And I get asked this by my patients and I get asked this through the website. So what I've done, I've looked through our range of back supports and I've put together the best back supports and then my top 5 for arthritis. And these are the Immo Strap, the Lombax, the Fire Active, the Lumbar Med and the magnetic back support. I've chosen these because they've all got features that help and assist with controlling arthritic lower back pain. Here we have the DonJoy Immo Strap, and this is particularly good for both acute pain, and that's acute lower back pain of facet joint, disc, origin, and may or may not involve sciatica. It is also good for chronic pain and particularly good for prevention of long-standing back pain, particularly those people involved in heavy manual work that have had a history of low back pain. Wearing this, I've had patients buy it and wear it and actually seen a large reduction in their pain and actually visits to the osteopath. So great for preventative back pain. The features I like about this, it's made of a good quality elastic and it has a strong compressive type nature. You're going to see 4 straps at the front here, and if I just turn and model William around, you'll notice that these 4 straps come around here and they isolate both the upper and lower back. So it's particularly good at isolating back pain. So upper back, lower back. If I come back round to the front, while you're wearing this you can vary the degree of compression and they're very simple. It's a finger thumb, I'm going to hold it, finger thumb change, and it acts on a small pulley. So it's very light pressure to actually create quite a significant change here. So if your lower part of your lower back is particularly uncomfortable, and that's where you suffer, maybe L4, L5, you'll find that this is very useful, and then you can use the upper bit on a lighter setting, and if your upper back's where most of the problem is, you can use this on a stronger compression via these front straps, or you can use all 4. And it can also be varied during the day while wearing. At the back, we also have 4 flexible stays, and these run the length of the lumbar spine, covering the SI joints, that's the sacroiliac joints, to the top of the lumbar spine, to the thoracolumbar junction. These offer additional stabilisation of the lumbar spine. This is our Immo Strap up close. Here we have the Lombax Original. It's ideal for common, recurrent and activity-led back pain. It's also good for the ache associated with arthritis. It's made of an elastic material and it has a 2-part Velcro closure system here and here. So offers good variable degree of compression and therefore support of the lumbar spine. As we look to the back of the support, we have 4 flexible stays that run the length of the back. That's from the sacroiliac joints up to the top of the lumbar spine. So it incorporates the whole of the lower back. And these, the purpose of these flexible stays is to offer some additional stabilisation of the lower back and facet joints. Our Lombax Original up close. This is the Fire Active back support, and the feature of this back support is it actually delivers heat to the lower back. This back support, due to the heat features, is ideal for arthritic conditions, muscle and ligament strain, activity-led backache and pain, and any condition that really benefits from both support and heat. To fasten the support and support the back, we have a first fastening at the front, and then we have 2 additional wings which have additional Velcro fastening. These can be adjusted while wearing to offer increased or decreased amount of support required. Now if we look at the support from the back, what we see here is support comes with 2 pads. It comes with a white pad and that generates less heat, that's more suitable what I would say for all day wearing, and then the red pad, which you probably guessed is the hotter one of the 2, and that gives a much more intense heat. These sit underneath the pad and have Velcro fastening. These need to be worn. The belt and therefore these need to be worn against the skin, otherwise these don't work. So they will not work through a material, and they actually work by reflecting the body's natural heat back. And our fire active back support up close. Here we have the Lumbar Med Plus. This is the male version, but it comes in a specific male and female version. This support is ideal for mechanical lower back pain, facet joint pain, ligament strain, muscle spasm. It comes low enough to cover the SI joint, so it does offer some sacroiliac support, and it's particularly good also for arthritis. Some of the features I like about the Lumbar Med Plus is it's got a climate control knitted fabric, so this means it can be worn against the skin. It has a 3D knitted weave with variable compression gradients throughout the material. So basically what this means is where you need support, it supports, but actually where you don't need such tight support, it allows freedom of movement, so it's particularly comfortable to wear. In terms of anyone with arthritic hands, it has a fastening loop at the front and one on the inside, so when you put it on, you simply put your fingers through the loops and it allows an easy fastening and release system. Looking at the Lumbar Med from the back, it has two flexible stays which run the length of the lumbar spine. These offer both support and stabilisation to the lumbar spine and facet joints. This product also comes with a massage pad and a heat pad, and these sit underneath the support against the lower back. This is our Lumbar Med Plus up close. Here we have our magnetic back support belt, and this is ideal for common low back pain, arthritis, and anyone that gets back pain or ache that is better with heat. It's made of a soft neoprene material, so that's good for keeping the back warm, it's good for muscle spasm, good for arthritis, and offers a good degree of flexion, so it's actually very comfortable to wear. Starting at the back, we have three flexible stays, so it's offering some additional support both to the lateral side of the back and the midline of the low back. We have two bands of magnets that run over the top of the facet joints, and these are responsible for a lot of arthritic type back pain. This is where the joints, if you heard the term, you've got wear and tear, it's pretty much the facet joints, and this is where a lot of your pain will come from. So these areas are bathed with the magnetic field, and the neoprene keeps the area warm. Coming back down to the front, we've got 2 points of fastening. You've got the front fastening here, which is the additional fastening. That offers the first level of compression and support. And then to vary the additional level of support, we have two wings. And these can be adjusted by simply pulling them forward and fastening them at any point along the Velcro. These will therefore offer a degree of support that's comfortable to what you'll require at the time and can be adjusted while wearing. Our magnetic back support up close.